Have you ever wished you could make eye-catching videos without picking up a camera, hiring an editor, or spending hours writing scripts? Well, today I'm going to show you an AI tool that literally creates full videos with just a few clicks. No tech headaches, no stress, and honestly, the results surprise me. In this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step. And by the end, you'll see exactly how this tool can completely change the way you make content, whether you're a total beginner or already posting online. And hey, if you're into smart AI tools that save time and help you boost your income, go ahead and subscribe to the VideoGen AI right now so you don't miss the next videos. Be sure to watch all the way through because even skipping one little step might mean missing something super valuable. The tool I'm talking about is called VideoGen. It's a powerful AI platform that can take your text or product info and turn it into a pro-looking video in under a minute. No editing skills needed, no complicated timelines. You just tell it what you want, and boom, it builds it. It's perfect for YouTubers, small business owners, online marketers, or literally anyone who wants to start making videos fast and easily. Step 1. Create your account. First things, go ahead and click the link I dropped in the description. That'll take you straight to VideoGen's homepage. Click on Sign Up, enter your email and a password, and you're in. No credit card needed to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll see a super clean dashboard. And I love that because it's not overwhelming. You won't get hit with too many options. Everything's simple and beginner-friendly. Step 2. Start a new project. Now let me show you how to create your first video. Click the Create New Video button. Then choose which platform you want to make content for. They've got templates ready for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and more. For this example, I'll go with TikTok, just to show how fast the process is. So I select the TikTok option and hit Next. Step 3. Generate your video script. This is where the fun starts. You can either paste your own script or let VideoGen write one for you. I'm going to have the AI write it for me. I enter a few quick details, like I'm creating a video for the top 5, so I type in the top 5 famous supercars in the world, and then pick the length for your video. I'll go with upbeat and confident. Hit Generate Script, and within seconds, it gives me a full, natural-sounding script that's actually really solid. This part alone saves me so much time, seriously. Step 4. Choose voiceover and music. Next up, adding voiceover and music. VideoGen gives you a bunch of voice options: male, female, different accents, even multiple languages. For this video, I'm picking a middle-aged, energetic male voice. For music, you can upload your own track, but I usually just use something from their royalty-free library. I pick a modern, upbeat sound, and just like that, the voice and music are locked in with a couple of clicks. Step 5. Preview and edit. VideoGen now auto-generates the video so you can preview it, and here's where you can fine-tune things. Don't like a clip? Just click it and swap it with another from their library, or upload your own. Want to change a subtitle? Click the text and type in a new one. No timeline, no complex editing software. It's honestly super smooth. Step 6. Export and share. Once you're happy with how it looks, just click Export. You can export in 1080p or even 4K if you want. The rendering is pretty quick, and now your video is ready to go live on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or even your website. In just a few minutes, you've got a clean, professional quality video without needing any editing skills. And that's it. That's how I use VideoGen to create content super fast with zero editing headaches. If you're trying to save time, post consistently, and actually grow your brand, this tool is a total game changer. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit like. It really supports the channel. Want me to review another AI tool next? Drop it in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the VideoGen AI. I've got more smart AI tutorials coming your way every single week. Thanks so much for watching to the end. I'll see you in the next one.
Supercars capture the imagination with their breathtaking speed, cutting-edge technology, and striking designs. Among the most famous are the Bugatti Chiron, renowned for its extraordinary power and luxury, and the Lamborghini Aventador, a symbol of Italian performance and style. The Ferrari LaFerrari blends hybrid innovation with unmistakable flair, while the McLaren P1 dazzles with its advanced engineering. Finally, the Porsche 918 Spyder stands out for its remarkable balance of efficiency and exhilarating performance, cementing its legacy.